Hello everybody. I have never ever tried one of these. It's a Barbie Color Reveal. It's mermaids. You know, I have my mermaid time right now. I'm getting obsessed with mermaids. But I don't know if this is the one where there is a can, because there used to be one with a can, but I really would like the can, but this is not the can color reveal, I suppose. But, well, let's see. You need water. Okay. Okay, well, I'm sure it will be cool. Okay. Okay. I'm sure you can use these for something. They're quite handy. Okay. Okay. You're supposed to open it, then put it in like hot water. Okay. Is it hot water? Let's see. Well, okay, I'll open them first. Wow. Wow. She's beautiful. Look. She is beautiful. Look. Hair is kind of not very soft, but it's kind of soft. Look, the hair is stuck here. So, okay, let's hope it won't stay like that. And this is like it's a comb. It's a comb. Okay. It's supposed to be a tail here, I hope. And this is the crown of some kind, maybe. Okay. Oh, here is the tail. The tail is like a. Oh, okay. It's nice. And this is like a necklace. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can the water. Are you supposed to like look at the I hope it looses from here. Okay. Okay, now I got all this water. So let's see. What happens now? Okay. What happens now? Look. Look at this. Wow. Look at the water. Look at the water. Okay. Wow. Oh my. Oh shit. Oh sorry, shouldn't be swearing. And I got a bit like nervous that I would like drop all the water here, because I have lots of technology around here, so I don't want to drop it. So wow. It was really fun. It was really fun, actually. Look at the water. Look at it. It's like mermaid water. Oh my god, mermaid water. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my. Well, I really, to be honest, I liked the mermaid skin before. She was like silver, but well, okay, it's okay. No, like this. Okay. It's a cute mermaid doll. It was fun. It was really fun. I suppose that children will think this is so exciting, and so I do recommend this because it's really exciting for children, especially. She's really cute. Look at this one. I'm really not very fond of the flower pattern. It's not perfect. I do like the hair. The hair is beautiful. I like the blue and lilac colors, as maybe you know. So should have been more fabric on the tail. I think there should be more fabric on the tail. This is a really cute mermaid doll, and it was very much fun to reveal the mermaid doll. And for children, I suppose it was so exciting. So I do really recommend this. Really cute face. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry that I was swearing a little bit because I was afraid to drop all the water on my electronics. So I'm sorry. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hi again. There is one thing I have to say is not great with this doll. Okay, I just turned the camera off and I thought it was really bad. It's not jointed. You know, she can't sit like she can. So I was supposed to put her in my like mermaid diorama I have, but it won't really work because she won't be able to sit in it. So she can only like stand and lay like this. And of course she's a fish, so it's maybe not the word, but still, maybe it's good to know that the mermaid the tail won't bend at all. So that's a bit sad because they should be bent here and here to me. So okay, that was a bit upsetting, but still is a cute toy, and she's really much fun. So, and pretty face. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.